So hi, I'm here with Peter Wong, who's the CTO at Prenetics, who are hiring quite a bit at the moment, so we're here to learn a little bit more. So thank you so much for joining us today, Peter.
Thank you for having me.
So firstly, we just want to learn a little bit more about you and your team.
Yeah. So what we do is we are a genetic testing company, and we are here basically to develop products and services, as well as supporting the lab process in scaling the operations for business. What does that mean, right? You can ask. In terms of technology, is building the right platform, building the right apps and applications to serve our customer. That means thinking about how to optimize our process, how to deliver the best service in terms of service availability, fault tolerance, our SLAs, and also our uptime. So all of that needs to be well thought of. And we are scaling, obviously, as a business. So we are always looking for developers or engineers, I would say. I always prefer the word engineers, because we are coming in to build solutions and coming in to build services that will meet the business needs. Okay. And that's very important. The people we look for is the people who come in to solve problems for us, able to move fast. One of the things that I like about here is the speed we're working at, and being able to move fast and being able to make changes that you won't be able to find, or you less likely to be able to find in other places. Making those changes, and every problem we're trying to solve here is actually solvable. We just need to be determined enough to solve it.
Okay.
So the individual comes in with that mindset.
Excellent. And could you tell us a little bit more in terms of the types of skills that you're looking for, and also what the developers would be doing, the technologies, and anything else you can share?
So in terms of the technical capability we're looking for is, so the language we're working on currently is TypeScript on Node.js. We are looking at developing websites using Angular. But these are the technology that we use right now. By no means that will be the technology we'll be using, in 3 months' time, 6 months' time. The most important thing is the architecture we have, the architecture blueprints we have already defined and carry forward. So one of the major things we're doing now is actually moving our stack to AWS. So we'll be utilizing cluster management from AWS based on Kubernetes. We'll be looking at using database solutions coming out of AWS, such as RDS and Aurora. And we're looking to do centralized logging, monitoring, alerting, a fully continuously delivered services and application. So people coming in, or engineers coming into to the environment, will have a huge opportunity to experience those capabilities and to grow basically our health platform to the next level.
Okay. Excellent. And so you mentioned that you're looking for more of the full stack type of engineers, right? Also it'd be really good to hear some career advice. Candidates are always interested to know, particularly from a CTO. So what advice would you give people?
So my advice for engineering, or any actual profession, is that you need to stay curious, always be learning, always challenge status quo, because there's always room to improve, and always be resourceful. Especially working in a scaled up, you need to be resourceful to everyone you're working with, across all departments, not just in engineering, because you need to be solving problems.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, that's great advice. So thank you so much for sharing. So yeah, I think if you're looking to get into an exciting development team where there's a lot to learn and you want to solve problems, definitely talk to Prenetics, talk to Peter, and you can go to CANOPY Careers. So thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
Really appreciate it.
Thank you.